The ultimate fat-burning foods for sustainable weight loss. When it comes to losing weight and keeping it off, a healthy diet plays a pivotal role in helping you achieve your goals. But with so many weight loss strategies and diet plans floating around, it can be difficult to figure out what works best for you. One of the most effective and sustainable ways to shed those extra pounds is by consuming fat-burning foods that not only support your metabolism, but also help you stay full and energized throughout the day. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can boost your fat-burning potential and support your overall health. These foods are packed with nutrients, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which work together to keep your metabolism firing on all cylinders. From fruits and vegetables to protein-rich foods and healthy fats, we've got a comprehensive list of the ultimate fat-burning foods for sustainable weight loss. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, arugula, and collard greens are considered one of the best fat-burning foods you can include in your diet. These vegetables are rich in fiber, which is essential for digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber content in leafy greens also helps you feel full for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. In addition to fiber, these greens are low in calories, making them perfect for those looking to shed fat without feeling deprived. But the benefits don't stop there. Leafy greens are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to weight gain and slow down fat-burning processes, so consuming these vegetables regularly can help your body function optimally. They're also a great source of calcium and magnesium, which support bone health and muscle function. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote fat loss. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body cannot produce on its own, so it's important to get them from your diet. These healthy fats not only support fat metabolism, but also help regulate hunger hormones, keeping your appetite in check and reducing cravings for unhealthy foods. Fatty fish is also a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. The protein in fatty fish helps increase your metabolism and promotes fat burning by making your body work harder to digest and process the food. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, TEF, causes your body to burn more calories after eating. In addition, the omega-3s in fatty fish help improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the likelihood of storing excess fat around the abdomen. Chili peppers. If you enjoy a little heat in your meals, you'll be happy to know that chili peppers can boost your metabolism and help burn fat. The active compound in chili peppers, called capsaicin, has thermogenic properties that increase your body's heat production, causing you to burn more calories. This process, known as thermogenesis, can elevate your metabolism and help you burn fat more efficiently. Capsaicin has also been shown to reduce appetite, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals without feeling constantly hungry. Incorporating chili peppers into your meals can give you a satisfying spicy kick while supporting fat loss. Whether you add them to soups, salads, or stir-fries, the heat from the peppers will increase your calorie burn and may even help you consume fewer calories overall. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic fat-burning food that should be a staple in your diet. Packed with protein, Greek yogurt helps build and repair muscle tissue, while keeping you feeling full for longer periods of time. Protein is essential for maintaining lean muscle mass, which is crucial for long-term fat loss. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest, even when you're not exercising. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and improve digestion. A healthy gut plays a significant role in weight management, as it helps regulate hormones that control hunger and fat storage. Probiotics in Greek yogurt help balance your gut microbiota, leading to improved digestion and better absorption of nutrients. This can help prevent bloating, support regular bowel movements, and reduce food cravings. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them perfect for weight loss. The healthy fats found in these foods are primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce body fat, especially abdominal fat. These fats are not only heart-healthy but also help keep you satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Because of their nutrient-dense nature, nuts and seeds provide a steady source of energy without spiking your blood sugar. In addition to healthy fats, nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which helps regulate your digestive system and promote feelings of fullness. Studies have shown that consuming nuts and seeds regularly can aid in weight loss by improving fat metabolism and reducing hunger levels. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the few fats that actually helps promote fat burning. Unlike other fats, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly absorbed and converted into energy rather than being stored as fat. MCTs increase the thermogenic effect in your body, helping you burn more calories and fat throughout the day. Coconut oil also helps improve your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, the fat in coconut oil can help curb hunger, preventing you from reaching for unhealthy snacks between meals. When you use coconut oil in cooking or add it to smoothies, you're giving your body a source of fat that can actively support weight loss. Green tea. Green tea has been consumed for centuries for its health benefits, but did you know it's also an incredible fat-burning beverage? Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that helps increase your metabolism and fat oxidation. These catechins work together with caffeine to enhance thermogenesis, helping you burn more calories and fat, especially during exercise. Drinking green tea regularly can give your metabolism a gentle boost, making it easier to burn fat and lose weight over time. In addition to its fat-burning properties, green tea provides other health benefits. The antioxidants in green tea help fight oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and disease. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular remedy for a variety of health concerns, and it can also be an effective tool for weight loss. ACV has been shown to help reduce appetite, which can help you consume fewer calories throughout the day. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, both of which can reduce fat storage and promote fat burning. Additionally, ACV helps improve digestion by increasing stomach acid production, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. By adding a small amount of apple cider vinegar to your diet, you can support your weight loss journey without feeling hungry or deprived. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support fat loss. These fruits are high in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, all of which have fat-burning properties. The fiber in berries helps regulate your digestive system, reducing bloating and promoting a feeling of fullness. Additionally, the antioxidants in berries help reduce inflammation in the body, which can improve metabolism and support weight loss efforts. Berries are also low in calories, making them the perfect snack or addition to meals for those watching their weight. The natural sweetness of berries can satisfy your sweet tooth without the added sugar and empty calories found in processed sweets. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.